Hello dear students, welcome to history class, chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms for class 7th, part 6. In this session, in today's topic is we are learning difficult words and pronunciation. So some difficult words you are learning in today's topic and how to pronounce that. Okay, see you students. So first one, E-M, E-R, G-E-N-C-E, emergence. So what is this? Emergence. So next spelling, R-E, G-I-O-N-A-L, regional. And next one, S-U-B-C-O-N-T-I. Okay, N-E-N-T. So next spelling, D-E-P-A-R-T-U-R-E, departure. So next one, E-M-P-I-R-E, empire. So next one you see, K-I-N-G-D-O-M, kingdom. And next spelling, P-A-L-A-S, palace. Next, G-U-R-J-A-R-A, Gurjara. P-R-A-T-I-H-A-R-A, Pratihara. So next one, R-A-S-T-H-R-A-K-U-T-A, Rashtrakuta. So next one, G-A-N-G-E-T-I-C, Gangetic. And next one, D-E-C-C-A-N, Deccan. So next one, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E, struggle. And next one, K-A-N-A-U-J, Kannauj. And next one, D-Y-N-A-S-T-Y, dynasty. Okay students, see here, these are all spellings. One by one I am explaining here. So first spelling is, see here, E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-E, emergence, emergence. So next one, R-E-G-I-O-N A-L. Regional. Regional. See here students, emergence and regional. And some in this chapter we have learnt. So in 700 CE to 1200 CE, some kingdoms were emerged here in the some regional parts. Regional means some area. Region means what? Some area. In that region, some kingdoms are emerged here. So they established. And next you see SUBCONTINENT. Subcontinent. Subcontinent means what? You know that continents. So Asia continent, North America continent, South America continent, Australia. So in this slide, in Asia, in this Asia continent, in that subcontinent, some dynasties are emerged here. Okay. And next one, DEPARTURE. Departure. You know that word departure. Okay. How you pronouncing this? Departure. And next you see, next spelling is there. EMPIRE. Empire. Empire means you know that Samrajya. Okay. Empire means what that? Samrajya. So next one. KINGDOM. Kingdom. Kingdom means in 700 CE to 1200 CE, some kingdoms were emerged here. Kingdoms were emerged here. Okay, in the subcontinent of India. India subcontinent. So next one you see PALAS. Palas. In that continent, 3 regional means 3 empires, 3 kingdoms were emerged. In that first kingdom is there Palas. Have you reading that? Palas. P-A-L-A-S. Palas. Okay. And next you see GURJARA. 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 And next spelling also is there. PRATIHARA. Pratihara. Gurjara. Pratihara. It is the second empire in the Indian subcontinent. Okay, established it. Gurjara. Pratihara. And next one you see RASTRAKUTA. Rashtrakuta. So third kingdom is there that Rashtrakutas. So Rashtrakutas emerged. Okay. You know that Palas emerged in the eastern India, eastern part of India, means example like Bengal. Okay. And Gurjara Pratiharas, okay, so they emerged in Gujarat, in the western part of India. And the Rashtrakutas, they were emerged in the part of Deccan and South India. Okay. See here. And next one you see means GANGETIC. Gangetic. And also some Rashtrakutas emerged in Gangetic plains. So here Gangetic. How you pronouncing this? Gangetic. And next spelling DECCAN. Deccan. So Deccan means what? You know that south part of, also calling that Deccan. So next you here struggle, struggle. You know that struggling. Okay, struggle. Next one Kanauj, Kanauj. What is this? Kanauj. In these three dynasties, okay, struggle over the Kanauj. And next one dynasty, dynasty. Okay, this, what is this? How are you pronouncing that? Dynasty. So once again you see here, emergence, regional, subcontinent, departure, empire, kingdom, palace, Gurcharam, Pratihara, Rashtrakuta, Gangetic, Deccan, struggle, Kanauj, dynasty. Okay students, in this today's class 15 spellings are completed here, difficult words and how to pronounce it. These all spellings you should be right, each spelling you should be right 10 times, and afterwards when you are completing this homework, so you send it my WhatsApp number. And next class again I am continuing in next session. Thank you.